Hello! Today I am making Mexican coleslaw, and I use the VitaMix there. And I'll be showing you how I do that. And cabbage, carrots, cilantro, onion, jalapeno, garlic. We don't do anything without lots of garlic. And green onions. Here's what I do in the VitaMix. I put some cabbage, in this case not quite half, in the VitaMix, and I put enough water to float it, and you can see there's water in here. And then I set this to high, and here we go. Let me back this off, wrong way. Let's see. Here we go. And that's it. Now I'll drain it, and I squeeze the water out of the cabbage. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I also put carrots and onions that I use, and garlic, all that. I do the same thing. So there we have it. There's the bowl of all the cabbage stuff, and I'm going to put it in this bowl after I squeeze it out. So let me squeeze. I just do something like that. Squeeze it out. Put it in the bowl. So there you have it. In that bowl is the cabbage, carrots, onion, garlics, green onions, cilantro, and over here are the jalapenos just waiting to dive in. I hand chop those. I don't put them in the VitaMix because I'm not squeezing them out, because that would be painful. So, whoops. There's that. Got it. And then I mix this up good. I'll be back. Now then, in this is, and again the recipe to this will be in the end of the video, but it's olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, a little ground up multicolored pepper, whatever that's called now, salt, and some sugar. You want to taste it? Sure.
Ooh. Good.
Ah, so there you have it.
Now, need to bottle it.
That's what she says about all my sauces.
You get a hint of sweet, get the tang, and then there's a creaminess from the mayo.
I guess the creamy would be the mayo.
Good stuff.
Now I'm going to mix this up. you like a wetter coleslaw, you just make it wetter. this will get a little wetter as the juices are pulled out of the onions and all that good stuff. But you can see it's pretty good right now. I can follow a recipe and absolutely nothing turns out the same because I don't follow too well. And I admit it. I always have a taste for something else. Okay, Miss Dagny, our infamous chef in the background, would you try this?
Sure. I got my spoon. My handy spoon. Ooh. Look at that awesome blend of flavors.
She pulled it up out of the camera.
Love that crunch of the fine minced cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of crunchy carrot. And that umami creamy dressing. Delicious.
That's good. Okay, recipe following. Thanks for watching.